At Reliable Roofing, we are passionate about two things: serving our customers and providing quality, cost-effective roofing solutions. We've installed over 200 million square feet of apartment roofing, and we are licensed in 35 states. Good data drives good decisions, and we have collected roofing information on over 7,000 apartment communities across the United States. We also use cutting-edge technology to provide accurate reporting of your current roofing conditions. This helps to determine present and future roofing needs on all of your properties. For the past 32 years, we've earned the trust of the multifamily industry, and we look forward to serving you in the future.